When it comes to online learning, you have many choices, but not all online schools are created equal. Excel High School is an award-winning online school that is student-centered and entirely focused on your success. Excel offers a variety of self-paced online programs, so whether you need middle school, traditional high school, adult high school, or even college-level programs, we can help. The Excel curriculum is designed to meet learners where they are in the learning process and help learners experience wins as they progress toward high school graduation. Our online courses are engaging, challenging, and fun, which helps learners develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills and prepare graduates for whatever the next chapter in life brings.
Excel High School has changed my life and perspective on learning. The constant support I had made me realize how capable I am of doing well in school.
The professionalism and support for parents and students was exactly what we were looking for.
Excel High School helped me achieve my goal with support and encouragement every step of the way. I am so truly grateful for Excel High School and proud to be a graduate.
Excel High School is affiliated with the Middle States Association of Colleges and Schools and accredited by Cognia, which ensures credits and diplomas are recognized by schools, colleges, and employers. Excel High School is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. Also, check out our hundreds of 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. What are you waiting for? Enroll online today and begin your journey toward high school graduation with a nationally recognized leader in online education.